welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we will show you how to make a creamy pork spread. Super easy, super tasty, and trust me, you will keep coming back for more. Let's start with 1 small onion and 4 pickles. Chop them finely with a knife or use your kitchen helper to save a few tears. I know you love shortcuts. Once they are minced, toss the crunchy tangy mix right into your big mixing bowl. It's the flavor foundation. Next, grab 1 hard-boiled egg, cut it up, and add it to the bowl. The other egg, don't touch it. We are saving that one for the topping later. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter. If you let it soften first, it will mix in smoothly. If it's still cold, well, get ready for a little arm workout. Next, 5 tablespoons of cream cheese. And yes, softened cream cheese is your best friend. Cold cream cheese, not so friendly, but it will still work after a bit of mixing. Straight to the bowl, grate in 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Depends on how much you like garlic or how much you like keeping vampires away. And now the star of the show. 1 can of pork meat. Juicy, salty, rich and ready to transform everything in this bowl. Just get it all in there. You will see how this makes the spread hearty and full of flavor. Next up, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It makes everything creamy, silky and blends the flavors together. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, just enough to give the spread a little zing, but not too strong. Now add 2 teaspoons of sweet red paprika. It gives the spread a gentle sweetness and a beautiful red color that makes it look extra appetizing. Time for the classics: salt and freshly ground black pepper. Season it just the way you like. Start with a little bit and you can always add more later. Mix everything really well until it turns into one smooth creamy spread. Take your time here. The better the mix, the better the result. And that's it. When it's all mixed, cover the bowl with a lid or transfer the spread into a Tupperware. Pop it in the fridge and let it chill until serving time. Or be like us who couldn't wait and spread it right on some fresh bread for an early taste. Delicious! This spread is perfect on bread, baguette slice or crunchy crackers. Want to make it look a little fancy? Top it with slices of that second hard-boiled egg. Add some fresh veggies or even a sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color. Seriously, it's creamy, flavorful and guaranteed to disappear fast once you serve it. So give it a try and watch it become everyone's new favorite snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, share it with your friends and don't forget to follow Simply Food Recipes for more easy, tasty ideas. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one. Maybe with even more sneaky bites on bread next time.